Hi, this is Dave Hefko from Coon Rapids Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, the world's coolest toy box. I want to talk to you about what we're doing to flatten the curve of COVID-19. When you bring your vehicle in for service, we want you to feel safe with us. In addition to disinfecting our dealership every night, we have a full-time porter working all day, every day. Now here is what you can expect when you come in.
Hi, I'm Dave Pop, Service Manager at Coon Rapids Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram. And today I'd like to demonstrate to you what we do to customers' vehicles to help disinfect their vehicles each and every time they come in and when we receive the vehicle when it is done. We like to do touch point cleaning. So we come inside and we disinfect all the touch points. We start with the steering wheel, we wipe the steering wheel down, we wipe the airbag down, the start-stop button is wiped down. We also wipe the shifter down, your keys. We come to the door, we do the inside door handle, and we do the armrest section. We also do the seat belt itself. As you can see, we place a plastic cover over the seat so that is protected. And then we come over and we do the outside door handle. Each and every car we take great care so that this is handled for you.
Hi, my name is Steve Clark. I'm the service director here at Coon Rapids Chrysler. Back in the service department, we wanted to show how we're observing our social distancing by having at least 2 to 3 stalls in between every technician as they're working on your vehicle. We are also having each technician stall cleaned by the same cleaning company every night. Throughout the day, they come through the touch points on their benches and on their boxes and wiping them down with disinfectant. At the same time, our technicians are working in groups of teams of 1 week on, 2 weeks off. So we split our technicians into 3 separate teams and our advisors into 3 separate teams. That way, if they do come down and not feel well, we've got a couple of weeks time to observe if it's anything more, or if we're good to go and get them back to work when their shift comes back on at Coon Rapids Chrysler.